In today's world, people don't only look for churches on the streets anymore, they search online first. Before attending a service, many people want to know your church location, service times, ministries, and the atmosphere of your church. That is why having a strong online presence matters, and that is exactly what Resurrection and Restoration represent. Resurrection and Restoration present a clean, modern, and welcoming website that reflects the heart of the ministry. From the moment you visit the website, you can easily access church information, upcoming events, ministries, and inspirational content designed to keep members and visitors connected. The website is mobile friendly, easy to navigate, and accessible anytime from anywhere in the world. Whether someone is searching for a church home, looking for prayer support, or trying to join an event, the website makes everything simple and accessible. Now, here is an important tech tips for churches. Your church website is your digital front door. Many first-time visitors will check your website before they ever attend physically. If your church has no website, you may be missing opportunity to reach out to people searching for hope, community, and spiritual growth online. Another powerful tip: a church website works 24/7, even after service hours. People can still watch messages, read updates, give online, check event schedules, and stay connected with the ministry. Social media is useful, but it should not be your only online presence. Platforms change constantly, but your website remains your permanent online home where your church controls the messages and experience. Resurrection and Restoration is a great example of how churches can use technologies to spread the gospel, connect with people globally, and build a stronger online community. So ask yourself, can people easily find your church online today? Can your ministry reach beyond the church building? If not, this is the right time to take that step. For professional church websites and digital ministry solution, contact us on 070-8376-9978. Take your ministry online and reach more lives beyond the walls of the church. Peace.